One.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois, southern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 10:30 p.m. At 10:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cherry Valley, or near Rockford Airport, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Belvedere around 10:10 p.m. Loves Park around 10:15 p.m. Poplar Grove and Timberlane around 10:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include New Milford, including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 115 and 123. Interstate 90 between mile markers 51 and 66. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service is the